Ah, medyo limited ang aking Tagalog mo or Pilipino. Ang pagkaintindi ko sa irregular kaduda-duda. Tama? Kaduda-duda, irregular. Ang counsel for respondent, if you can help me, it's in this translation, I'd happily welcome your translation. Unnecessary sa Pilipino. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan.
Irregular is hindi palagi, hindi kinagawian.
Ah,
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
irregular. Kasi ang
Counsel
alam
for
ko...
respondent, you agree? Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Okay. Okay. Kasi ang nalaman lang natin the other day is unusual. Ngayon naman, irregular.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan. Unnecessary. Hindi kailangan.
Your Honor, I with all due respect again, if you may just ask the question na lang po.
Sandali. Preliminary, Your Honor. Preliminary.
Because this is already,
Your Honor,
I think we
please.
all know what's happening here.
In any event, Your Honor, give me some leeway here. This is the last question before we break up for lunch. And considering
We ask for the ruling of the
the
court, Your Honor.
victory of Ayala, Your Honor,
Let
we're all in a
counsel-
happy mood.
Let counsel wind up with this, with her
This is my
direct
last question, Your
counsel
Honor.
correspondent. Let's give her some
Okay,
leeway.
I will-
We submit.
Let's help
Unnecessary.
in translating more accurately.